Hey there, Amber here to tell you about a new touchless check-in option for Heritage Kids. There's still going to be manned check-in stations on Sunday, but if you prefer to stay safe and save time, we're going to have the Church Center app available for you to self-check-in before you get here and scan to get your name tags. First, download the Church Center app from your app store. When you open the app for the first time, you will need to select Heritage as your church. Don't worry, you only have to do this once. Then you will be prompted to sign in using your phone number or email address. A code will be sent to you to verify your login. The menu bar is at the bottom of the app. There's a lot of things we can do on the Church Center app, but for now let's focus on Kids Check-In. Press the check-in icon. Find Heritage Kids on the list. Then select the family members that are checking in. You'll notice when kids are selected, the details of what time and class they are checking into appear. If this info isn't correct, you can modify it. After you've prepared all your family members' check-ins, press Next. A QR code will appear on your screen. On Sundays, simply scan the code at our self-check-in station. Wait for your tags to print and you're good to go. We hope you enjoy our new self-check-in option using the Church Center app. Stay safe and save time.